Hi, welcome to today's post-market analysis. Let's see how the market behaved today and whether it went as per our market analysis yesterday or not. And let's see what are the possible trades that we could have taken. So yesterday we know because of narrow CPR, we are expecting a trendy day, but there was a reversal after some time here from Nifty. So this level is going to act as a demand zone. So today also there is a narrow CPR here. For Bank Nifty there is wide CPR. So I was saying yesterday in the post market analysis that today can be a sideways day. So Nifty, though it is trending downwards, Bank Nifty you can see it is completely a sideways day. So if you see yesterday, I don't know if I can open that. Okay, let me open this. I think we are discussing here. So based on the opening, I think we can take the trade uh, considering the price action. If there is gap down, Bank Nifty are looking contradicting, and also the CPR is wider for tomorrow, indicating a sideways day for Bank Nifty. If there is gap down, if it is gap up, it can be sideways. So that is what we are discussing yesterday. So as expected, there is a sideways day today. So if you see from the opening is a very huge bearish candle indicating there is a selling pressure in Nifty and as well as in Bank Nifty. So considering Bank Nifty wide CPR, so we don't know whether it is going to be trending day following Nifty or Nifty is going to follow Bank Nifty and saying staying a sideways day. So based on the demand zone here, you can see here this is a demand zone where Nifty had a bounce a long time back here. It actually repeatedly has this support here, so which is again a demand zone. So we should not think like immediately after seeing the bearishness. So we should be careful in taking the short trade because there is a demand zone very next to it. So rather I think we can take a long position here and keeping the stop loss here and take profit again back to day's high. But it almost came to day's high. So here I think there is another opportunity could have been erased. So when there is a bearish candle here, you can say there is a downward trend here. The price action is moving in the channel. So this combination with CPR plus red candle high would have been deadly combination for going short again. But we didn't see anything near to that. It almost reached there. I'm waiting actually for that to reach there, but it almost came here twice to that point, and then there is a slight correction. That's it. There is not much movement back to day's low. So Bank Nifty is showing a slight strength compared to Nifty today. So other than this big red candle, if you can take the high risk of taking stop loss, minimum stop loss is here because following this channel. Otherwise, the stop loss should be here. Considering Bank Nifty expiry today, I think this is the only possible trade that we can take in the Bank Nifty. Another low probable trade is I actually have taken this and I did a mistake after some time. I have noticed this is a wrong trade. So here at this candle, when you see a red candle, this is yesterday's low. So though it is like less like less strength region because there is no bounce from here, so that we can consider it as an important zone. So there is just Nifty Bank Nifty stopped here, so we should not consider it as much a stronger area. But the thing is Nifty is still weak at this point. If you see what is the time here, 11:25. Nifty is trending still downwards. If you see 1125 is here, you see. So Nifty is actually taking resistance at 20 MA. So what happens is, when this is taking resistance continuously at 20 moving average, so Bank Nifty is also having a resistance of yesterday's low, though it is not very strong resistance. So it is kind of moderate level of risk, I would say. So this I have taken and then kept the stop loss here, and then I was looking for day low again. Or if we don't know, right, as I said in the start of the video, Nifty, Bank Nifty will follow Nifty, or Nifty will follow Bank Nifty. So if Bank Nifty decided to follow Nifty and a lower trend continues, so this will give you very good reward based on the candle size. You can see very small candle. So this but I have entered with the relatively large quantity, and then it has actually given me about 0.5% loss. So that is one trade that I have taken, which is a mistake. I think that is a honestly a low probability trade, but I have taken this trade instead of this trade. This trade I didn't take because Nifty was looking very weak from the day beginning, so that didn't give me much confidence to take long position here. But considering this demand zone, I think this we could have taken. But now we are seeing it as a big bounce in live market. Sometimes we don't understand the behavior of the market. When we don't understand, I think it is better to stay away. But that is the one mistake I have made today, that when we don't have a clear direction, we should stay away. But I did take the trade, so that is one mistake. So there in Nifty 0.5% I lost. Here in Nifty I have taken second trade, so this has given me another 0.5% loss. So it was unfortunate day for us, which has given us loss. So second thing what I have done is, there is a demand zone here. So Nifty has actually bounced from here. So here there is a demand zone, so showing a bullish candle here. So entry here, stop loss here, and again you can aim for the CPR, because if Nifty is going to follow sideways day of Bank Nifty, which didn't happen here, but most of the time one follows the other. So if this is following the Bank Nifty, so we can get a good risk reward. You can see here very small risk, and then your reward is so big. So here also again it has actually hit the stop loss, so we lost another minus 0.5%. So each trade I generally take 0.5% of risk if I aim for 1% of the profit. So two trades are stop loss hit, so it is done for the day, and remaining part of the day I didn't trade. And if you see, right, there is actually no proper trade also. So though we have sloping moving average up to here, so it was taking resistance at this pivot point plus 20 EMA. So this combination gave you very good bearish candle, but the thing is it is too big. If you take the entry here, stop loss here, and take profit, is very near to the next level of support for Nifty. So this is kind of low probability. So again, when it actually gave second chance of bearish candle here, but it is above the pivot. So when it actually has broken the 20 EMA here, it is showing a strength here. So for a proper bearish day, right, it should not break actually 20 EMA. And here also it came above this 20 EMA line. Okay, so this is again showing slight strength. And again after that it has actually crossed the pivot point here, and then 20 MA here. So entry here, stop loss here, and then take profit again back to next support zone is less probable, because now you know that market has actually gone down. But looking at this strength, these two areas which came out of the 20 EMA, I think nobody can take in on the live market that, honestly speaking. And then we can say now after the market close that this could have been good entry, but honestly this is not a trade that we could have taken that. So only thing I was looking is because this is very clean area, nothing, no support, resistance or anything here in between. So this is very clean move, but opening trade also we cannot take because this is too big of a stop loss. So only entry possible is either retracement back to 20 EMA or CPR or back to day high. So that didn't happen and it continued to fall. So when the fall is very fast, right, it tend to, when the fall is very fast like this, like it bounced yesterday, so most chances are to bounce again. But as it bounced yesterday, maybe that is the reason people will be expecting to again another bounce. So I think I got trapped with along with other traders. So this trade I could have avoided considering yesterday's bounce. But trading is probability. So the probability of going sideways for Nifty along with Bank Nifty could have been possible, but sideways happened. But sideways to negative has is the outcome for the day. So this level I marked, right. This is also, I was thinking of this can yesterday it was consolidating, right, for the entire day in this range. So this is not going to be broken today. So I marked this entire area as a resistance zone. So if it touches or came in the middle of it, I wanted to short it and then keep the stop loss above and book the profit to the day's low. So that is another area I'm thinking. If it comes really to this or middle of this, I was thinking to look for a trade downwards, assuming the fake breakout. So that didn't happen, and that is how the day ended with almost 1% loss. I think after so many days I got 1% loss, which is very big for me. So tomorrow let's consider taking the trades very cautiously, and or at least we should reduce the risk until we win again. So I will keep the position light, like only I will risk a 0.2 0.3% of my amount, and then slowly I will build up. I'll gain the confidence and then I will increase my quantity. Okay. So again tomorrow there is a narrow CPR for Bank Nifty. Today I think it is reverse. If you see Nifty, now Nifty has wider CPR. So I think it is better to not trade tomorrow. I will mark these levels unless we get a very high conviction. I think I will avoid. Today I should have avoided trading, as I was saying yesterday in the post market analysis. So this level is tested, so I will remove this. So these are the levels. I will save this. So these are the levels. As long as it is staying between these two, I think we can trade based on CPR. If it is gap up and coming down here, we can take the trade to bullish and then book the profit here. If there is a flat opening and there is upper side movement, considering this area of consolidation, this part is going to act as a resistance. So if there is any bounce here towards mid CPR to top CPR, I will take a short position here and keep the stop loss and book the profit back to day low. If it is taking resistance here and coming down, right, chances of breaking this are higher, and then I think it can come down to here also. So any long position or short position, I am interested to take only near to the CPR. So that will give me a better probability. So that is in case of Nifty. And for Bank Nifty also, there is a resistance here because the sellers are there sitting at the today's high, and also almost they have taken the control. But considering this higher highs, right, So if it is breaking upside, then also we cannot take a long position because there is a virgin CPR. Virgin CPR matlab this can act as a resistance tomorrow, this zone. So some people generally tend to take this higher highs, right? So if the price is moving and taking the breakout, thinking of it as a breakout upside, and then they will go long here, the chances are it will trap and then it can fall also. So I'm not interested to go long until this entire zone is broken upside. And also there is a consolidation here. So these, if the sellers are winning from this area, I think they will tomorrow even break this level. So we should be careful tomorrow. I will be interested if in the morning session only, if it comes here and touches this, and Nifty also coming up and touching the CPR. So both indices are having resistance at this point. Then I will be happily shorting this and keep the stop loss even if I lose the money. I am fine because this is going to be high probable area to short. So that is a plan for tomorrow, and then only go long after this point if there is a gap up. If there is gap down, I think we should be careful chasing the price because we don't know, because average CPR here and wide CPR there can be reversal day as well. So let's see how the market opens tomorrow and trade accordingly. Thank you. Bye.